Hi everyone, this bike has a problem. The chain on the bike keeps dropping off and it's really quite annoying. So what's causing the issue is that the chain is too loose. So I'm going to show you how to fix the chain and tighten it up. So let's jump in. We can see that it's really loose. There shouldn't be more than 1 inch of movement, so it's quite easy to determine that this is the cause of the chain dropping off. On this bike we have only one sprocket here in the front and one sprocket here on the back. It's an internal shifter or hub gear bike, so it has three gears which are here in the hub, and the shifter unit here is controlling it. So the tension of the chain can be adjusted by pulling the whole wheel back, causing the chain to tension. So how to do that then? So here we can see that the axle of the rear wheel is going through the frame here and also here. So on this side it's easier to see that there is a range of adjustment. So in order to pull the wheel back, we will need to loosen up this bolt here on the right hand side and the bolt on the left hand side, which is under this shifter unit. So the first thing we need to do is take an Allen key or hex key to this shifter unit to loosen this up and pull this shifter unit out. So it's just on the bolt, so we don't need to loosen it up entirely, just enough to pull it off. Okay, it's already moving, so we can't just leave this hanging here. This is loose, so let's make sure it doesn't drop out. Okay, so this is a 15mm bolt, so let's hold on the wheel and loosen it up a bit. We don't need to loosen it up all the way, just enough to move the wheel around. Also on the other side, loosening up the bolt. So I'm going to pull on the wheel and hold on the frame, and we can see that it's already moving back and the chain is becoming tighter. To make the wheel straight, I will be looking at it from the top here. What I want to do is look at the distance from the frame on both sides, so I can see that on here on the right hand side the distance is smaller than on this side. So I will need to turn the wheel a bit. So just trying with the finger, that's one way. I can feel that it's different. Okay, now it's a bit better. Next I will tighten the bolts up just enough to make it hold so that the chain is still tight, but I can still make small adjustments on the wheel alignment. In order to check the tightness of the chain, I will try it at different spots. So now it's not too tight, but I would say it's tight enough, and I will turn the pedal 90 degrees and it's still good. So I want to make sure that the chain is not too tight at any point. So I'm just going a full rotation of the chain, and I think it's feeling good all around. I think it's quite straight now. Turning the wheel is also looking good, it's not wobbling. Tightening it up, not too tight but tight enough to prevent the wheel from moving if there are some bumps in the road. Chain tightness is feeling good. Next we need to put the shifter unit back in place. So let's just push this back in here onto the bolt and tighten up the hex key. If you found this helpful, please give a thumbs up and comment below with any suggestions. I also have a lot of other bike repair videos. I will leave some cards and link to some in the description or in the cards up there. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.